is Julia. I'm 25 years old. I realized that in my first video, I didn't introduce myself as a person. I just ended up doing a video on a tutorial. But I do want to mention that I am in the beauty industry. I work in a hair salon. I recently started, so this is a new venture for me. I also started this whole YouTube thing as an experiment to see where it gets me. I love trying new things, new techniques, new hair techniques, also some that are a little bit weird that people wouldn't actually wear. So that is why I wore the same hairstyle as I did the other day, and I'm going to show you some tweaks on how to make it look more bougie or more classy in a way, so that you can use them when you go out or just for fun. So the first step that I'm going to show you is I already curled my hair from yesterday and it stayed really nicely. So this is what I mean by the crimper makes it last really long. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to slick back this side so that it gives it more of a glam look, and I'll puff up more of this side so that it looks really, really glam. So let me show you. So for the first step that you want to do is basically I'm going to pass over these types of curls for now, just because I will puff them up, and then I will slick this back. So it's super easy. So you basically just want to fix whatever doesn't look too wavy. Section it in two. I'm sorry if I look like a mess. Look at this volume. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to spread this down so that it stays nicely, like you see this. In the meantime of this kind of like solidifying, I will slick this side back. So for that, I usually use a comb like this or my hands. I also split it on the side just because I want more of a, I don't know, side look. Slick it back like this. And then with a little bobby pin, honestly, these types of hairstyles, they look really nice with nice bobby pins, but I didn't have, so I'm just gonna go for this one. Another one, spray it in. I'll put another one just to really solidify the whole effect. Now I'm going to pass over, I'm going to do something that I don't usually do because I'm not really liking it. I'm going to put a bobby pin here to just kind of like put it down like this. They also have a lighter type of hairspray, but I like this one for events so that it actually holds properly. So this is the first hairstyle. Alright, so this is the second look. This is going to be the half up, half down, waved look. So what I do is I took took everything out. I put some water into it because obviously with all this hairspray, it doesn't brush out very well. And basically what I do is I start ear by ear like this and bring it up. So I take usually like a comb that has many bristles just because it's easier, especially if you have extensions. For a normal person, you can honestly use like a little comb or whatever. But since I make sure like it's high enough. Like right now for me this isn't high enough. So I'm gonna make sure to bring everything high, spray it like this. Do the other side, spray it, not too much because obviously not be able to wash this off. Alright, so like this, right center, and then you'll take a black or whatever elastic and you'll put it right in the middle. I like to take a big section of hair just because you're gonna see what I'm gonna do with it after. So I'm going to put this all together like this. Then I look a little bit crazy right now because I'm obviously not brushing this out. But then what I do is I take a piece like this, spray it, wrap it around my bun multiple times. Does look more put together. Although I do think I didn't take enough of a chunk, so I'm gonna have to probably take a little bit more. And I like to take it from the bottom, so I'll take this much and spray it. And this is probably my favorite part. Oh yeah, like this is perfect because I get to really intensify my look. And then I take my little bobby pins, put them in the back, make sure to put like 2 or 3, like it really depends how tight you want it to be. Personally, I like it really tight so it stays. Spray the top. Together. I do find it's missing a little bit of volume here, so I will put a little bit more. Wherever you want to put, you add. So here. But this is the final look. Liked it. So I just wanted to thank you guys for watching my 2 tutorial videos. If you guys have any questions on the products, on what I use, on how to do it, or if you want me to make a video on that, you can also subscribe and comment and like or DM me, especially on Instagram because that's mainly where I put the videos. But I just genuinely wanted to thank you guys and I hope you have a great day.